Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. We're releasing a Rune Factory 5 for the PC. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the Intel HD 4600 integrated graphics. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and right off the bat I'm running at 720p on the low preset. That's to let you guys know what setting I have, because you can't see in game. You can only see before you launch the game with an actual launcher. And ain't nobody got time to show y'all that. Gotcha. So 720p, and I clicked low settings and I hit launch. That is it. That's all I did.
I can't remember anything.
I've said this. This is a very low end game. You can run this. I would be shocked to see if you have something lower end. Like if you got even 4 gigs of RAM, it's not completely the worst. I have noticed some frame time issues with the game. Like they've been pretty egregious, really, to be honest with you. But that may have been with the settings up. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same with low settings. We'll see though. We will see. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Let's see what happens. So it is hitting 60. So from what I can imagine is it was probably something to do with the it has something to do with the higher settings have frame issues. Because when I tried it with the RX 570, I was definitely getting some frame issues. But here it is with the 4600. It's running solid 60 FPS. I do have it capped to 60 because why the hell not? And it runs. It's running fine. Some areas may get a bit more demanding, so I think 60 is fine. So the frame issues becomes clear once you put on some settings, which kind of sucks really, because you can't change settings on the fly, so you'd have to continuously go in and out to make sure which one's which, and that's crazy. This crap takes a while to load in, man. But like I said, 4 gigs of RAM, very low end friendly. You can run this on an Intel HD 4600. I imagine the 4000 would do well with this as well. This is great. I love when they put out games that you can run, man. Always intrigued to see games that I can run. Yeah, look how smooth that's running at 60. That runs really smooth at 60 FPS.
You're hurt.
I am hurt. And look at the CPU. My CPU is at 9%. So this is not going to be a CPU bottleneck in anything. The i3 that I'm going to test with a 620 now, the Intel HD 620, probably going to run this really well. I probably will do 720p normal for that one, because clearly if it can do low, I would think it can do normal at least for the next one. That kind of makes sense. I could be wrong, but I'll do normal and see what happens. But yeah, I would state this is probably going to be mostly a 60 FPS experience. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I say 720p, but I do have it at half the texture, so it may be doing 360 actually. That looks good enough. This is low-end gaming, guys. This is what we expect.
You can do it, Priscilla.
And I'm just gonna mute myself now because there's not much else to talk about. The game runs. I was really shocked that it ran this well. 4.5 gigabytes of RAM. Intel HD 4600, guys.
Yay.
It works. It just runs. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the gameplay. Or basically the talking, considering that's all it's gonna be. That bunch of damn talking. The village area as well, in case you were wondering, it runs the same. There's no difference with the village area. I just want to point that out. It runs exactly the same.
Hey, I'll go get my mom. Come on.
I'm sorry.
Uncle Kumo.
Hina! You okay, kiddo?
Yeah.
You!
Whoa.
Hey now, what are you doing to my patient?
Hey.
Well, I'm here now. I'm this town's doctor. And also, no, if you don't have any
I'm really sorry.
This is messy.
Yes.
Hey!
What should I do? What to do?
Hey now, what are you saying? Hina's hero?
Absolutely not.
What?
Honestly.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Really? Yeah, thanks. Hey! Yes. On this town and the building you're standing in is Rigbark Outpost. Got it? Thanks. No need to thank me. So, where did you come from? And that means what exactly? Oh.